Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Meera from Shad and I'm a foundation level student at Reliance School of Campus Islamabad. So hello everyone. Today I'm sharing my review of the TEDx Talk and my topic is the Wheel of Life by Bilal and Saqib. Okay, in this inspiring talk, Bilal shares his journey as a social entrepreneur and explains how determination, innovation, and a desire to help others can create real change in society. He talks about the work of his organization and Tayyiba, which helps communities facing water shortages by providing innovative solutions like the H2 wheel. So one of the biggest lessons from this talk is that no challenges is too big if we have the courage to take the step first and the first step. So Bilal emphasizes that success is not only about personal achievements but also about making a positive impact on the lives of others. So he encourages young people to believe in their ideas and use their talents to solve real world problems, right? So what I like the most about this talk is the message of resilience and growth. So even when obstacles appears, we should keep moving forward with confidence and a clear purpose. The talk reminds us that innovation combined with compassion can transform communities and improves lives. So, in conclusions, I would only say that the wheel of life teaches us to dream big, work hard, and use our abilities to serve humanity. It is a powerful reminder that each of us can make a difference if we believe in ourselves and stay committed to our goals. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, viewers. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.